leader in family, in military terms, and then in family, in trade, he is a very honest trader, never cheat, and also before he spread Islam, he was known by all Arabians. He is the most honest person. Al-Amin, the most honest person.
Al-Amin. Oh,
So
the most honest person in the world.
Yes, that is one example, and that will become the message later before until he became a messenger. So everyone in Arab never found him cheating. So everyone in Arab always trust him, every time. And then he is the most humblest person. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the most unassuming person, very, and he is the kindest person, the most good natured, and
Attitude,
the most good attitude, and then
most get around the world.
the down to earth, the most down to earth person.
Allah.
And then he always gives good emulation for everyone. Good emulation. The most impeccable example for everyone, especially to his family, to his companions, friends. When he sent a letter to other kings, other leaders outside Arabia, for example in Roman, so the king of Roman